But as we go throughout the rest of the day, we really are going to see these wind gusts increase. And across parts of Pemiscot and Dunklin counties in southeastern Missouri and Lake County in northwestern Tennessee, we have a wind advisory that goes into effect at about lunchtime today, and it goes until 12 o'clock tomorrow morning. And that's for south winds that could be as high as 25 miles per hour, with gusts possibly up to 40 miles per hour. But regardless of where you live, we are going to be seeing those strong wind gusts today, likely over 35 miles per hour, and then we'll likely see those gustier winds last throughout much of the morning and early afternoon hours tomorrow.